Bacon, bourbon, green beans, almondine. It's good stuff, you guys. This recipe was designed with fresh green beans in mind, but frozen will work in a pinch so long as they're completely thawed and dried very well. Prepare the beans and chop the bacon, about a half a pound. Add the bacon to a large skillet over medium-high heat and brown the bacon, stirring frequently until almost crisp. Now it's time to add the green beans into a single layer in the pan. And add some extra virgin olive oil, about a tablespoon, and roughly 3 tablespoons of butter. Give the beans a good stir, incorporating the bacon and the beans well in the pan. Time to add a good amount of salt and freshly cracked black pepper. And again, give them a stir. Now you'll notice on the bottom of the pan all that brown bits of bacon. You don't want to lose that flavor. So next we add some water to deglaze the pan and use your spatula to scrape up all that yummy fond. That'll give the green beans extra bacony flavor. You don't want to forget this step. So good. Plus, the water will help steam the green beans when you cover them for approximately 5 to 7 minutes. Remove the cover, give the beans another good stir, and now it's time to add the bourbon. Of course, you can omit this if you like, but all it really does is add a little extra buttery flavor. Spoon the green beans into a bowl and top with toasted almonds before serving. You're gonna love this recipe. It's so good. Enjoy. Oh yeah, no, they're good. Get the full recipe at kudoskitchenbyrenee.com.